Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And for today's video, guys, I don't know, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this thing, the what do you call this, a green mask. This is a in China. Yes, let's begin. This thing is a mask, and you have to put it all over your face. And yeah, so I'm a bit scared, so let's open it first. It's like a stick. Yeah, it's like a stick, but it's really a stick. Okay. Whoa. Smells bad way. The smell is bad way. The smell is bad. Oh my god. Okay, so oh, it is a the smell is the I'm not sure if I'm not sure if I'm willing to put it on my face, but let's try. Let's try. Oh my god, let's try. So let's say my face is not nothing. I don't put anything, so what. It's kind of cold when you put it. It's kind of cold. It is cold, so I'm gonna have to put it like that. Okay, so I don't know if this thing will work, and I don't know if how long I'm gonna have to put it on my. Be careful with this. They have to. I have to put it out like that. Kalain. Oh my god. It's it means I have a lot of pores. You see, maybe that's the pores. Oh, look at that. The pores. Here. So let me just put it the way it says you have to put it there. Oh my god, I hope it's not gonna itchy. So oh, well, I have to take off this thing. I have to take off my. Okay. It's a it's really like a cream. It's not a bit heavy to your face, but no, I mean not that heavy though, but gosh. This is funny. It looks so funny. Okay, do you have to put more, because it seems like this is a lot. Let's see how long it goes. Oh, this is. Oh, okay. That's a lot. So I think I'm gonna put a lot. Annoying yung katawa ko eh. I hope it's not itchy. So I think I have to put many or what? Oh. The words goodbye. Do it took some time to. Okay. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, 15 minutes. I know. It's 15 minutes. So I'm not sure if I can leave it here for 15 minutes. So yeah, that's it. Nothing to say in here because I don't understand what is this thing. Camellianesis. I don't know. It's just, it says in here green tea oil clean solid mask. So let's see how. But my gosh, you see that? Oh no. Okay, so I'll be right back. And voila, I'm back. And I don't know. There is nothing, the feeling there is a little bit itchy. It's maybe because I don't know, maybe because my face is oily or something, I don't know. So I don't understand how to take off this thing. Maybe I don't know if do you have to use the tissue, dry one, or you have to wash it, but I will probably wash it. Let me try to wipe it out. It says in here 15 minutes. You have to leave it 15 minutes. It's maybe I just see a 15 here. So yeah, that's maybe, yeah, it is because there is a word, but I can't leave it for 15 minutes. It's so long. So only 10 minutes and I'm ready to wipe it out. Oh my god. Really, the color is like light. Oh god. Yeah. It's not dry at all. I don't think I can wipe it like that. So I think I've just better to wash it out. It's very sticky, cannot. So I will wash my face, okay? Hold on. So I already washed my face. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. No feelings at all. It's just when the product inside my face, I feel a little bit itchy. Maybe because my face is, as what I said, oily. I have an oily face, so maybe that's the for me, in my opinion, I don't like it because the smell is kind of weird and I don't feel like putting it on my face. But nothing smell like tea at all, like really no. Recommend this product, but you can try out, guys. You can also try. If you want to try, then go ahead and try it. But this product is cheap, so it's cheap. Barato So I think that's it for today, guys, and I hope I can see you on my next one. Thank you so much, and ciao.